Hi, I'm Donna, also known as Shoe Lady. I love shoes, I love sandals, any style, any color. I would buy a pair of strappy sandals, and when I started to wear them, I noticed my little toe would pop out between the straps when I walked in them, and they became uncomfortable to wear because the straps did not fit across my toes properly or comfortably. Not only was it painful and unsightly, it was dangerous too. I feared I would break my pinky toe. I'm sure many of you can identify with this problem. You probably have sandals in your closet right now you don't wear because of this issue. Well, dust off those sandals. I'm going to share with you a product I developed that satisfies that problem. And now you can wear those cute little sandals again. Little Toe Guard offers comfort and protection for your pinky toe. And the best part, it's nearly invisible. Little Toe Guard is doing its job. Little Toe Guard cushions and protects your pinky toe. It's a simple solution to a common problem. Now you are able to keep your favorite pair of sandals and not have to suffer through unbearable pain and unflattering look. Little Toe Guard is available through Amazon. Let us know in the comments section below how you like the product. Click on link below to buy directly from Amazon. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy your sandals again.